Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 71. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, we will practice our last division of polynomials example. And let's get down to it. Now, in this example, we have x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 is being divided by x squared plus x minus 1. So you can see that we have a little bit more complicated divisor. But the method is still the same, using the long division. So again, we have our long division, and our dividend seems to be well aligned. So it's x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. And this is being divided by x squared plus x minus 1. Right. So the method or the process is the same. We look at the first expression of our dividend and look for a factor which, when multiplied by the highest exponent expression in our divisor, and when multiplied will give us x cubed. And certainly this is x, because x times x squared will give us x cubed. Now, next, we multiply x by x, which will give us x squared. X squared, it will be positive. And then lastly, x times negative 1 will give us minus x. So then we move on to subtract our new expression from the first one. X cubed minus x cubed gives us 0. Then minus 2x squared minus x will give us minus 3x squared. And then 4x minus minus x will give us minus 3x. And yep. So we in the end we have our 1, positive 1. Okay. So then what expression, uh, what expression when multiplied by x2 will give us minus 3x? This should be minus 3, because minus 3 times x squared will give us minus 3x squared. And then minus 3 times 1 will give us minus 3. And should be written here minus 3. And so when we subtract here, we have minus 3x squared minus 3x squared will give us 0. Then we have minus 3x, and 1 minus 3 will give us positive 4. Now you realize that x here is to the power 1, so that's a remainder. And therefore, our answer to this expression becomes x minus 3. And then we can say minus 3 plus 4 over, actually this should be written like, no, this should be minus 3 x plus 4, and all this is over our divisor, which is x squared plus x minus 1. And that becomes our final answer. I know this is quite teasing, but when you practice more, you'll get to you know, get, familiar to doing it. All right. If this lesson helped you, don't forget like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. And bye for now.